Hello, my name is Agus, and
My name is Kenny.
and we are from Indonesia. So actually, first time our visit in Brazil. So we are surprisingly stranded in Amazons, and we are taking Joshua's amazing tour, and then
It was amazing. The whole experience is just marvelous. We have an unforgettable journey in Brazil, especially with excellent guide. Name is Jamal. He's amazing.
make sure you get him on the next
Make
tour.
sure you get him on your next tour.
If you don't, make sure you still get him. See,
Ciao.
because like we are visiting what they call.
Amazon.
Yeah, the Amazonians. I mean, like the lodge was epic. It's fantastic. It's far from nowhere. Like
Did you
far
like
from
the food?
civilization.
The food.
The food's
is
also amazing. It's like a
amazing.
home cooked food, and then surprisingly, they have a Wi-Fi,
There's a Wi-Fi. Exactly.
so you can do
Middle of
whatever
the
you,
jungle.
you can do whatever your activity later on. Then you can edit on the same day. You can publish on your Instagram, Facebook, whatever, Twitter.
Amazing.
It's amazing one. And
Amazing
then
journey.
we are visiting also what the Indian village.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's
Hey,
worth
you
every
will like it in
Worth
terms of.
Every penny.
I have my wife here, so I won't say much. So yeah.
Worth every penny, guys. Worth every penny.
And
You
don't
should
forget
try
to
this.
swim with the dolphin.
Correct.
Try to fish the pirarucu.
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 The
And
pirarucu fish.
if you don't get the pirarucu, just throw your guide over there.
The guide will do the rest.
The fish will do the rest. Well, what's your motto again, Joshua?
Joshua's Amazon Expeditions. Join us on a trip of a lifetime.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Let's go.
That's it from us. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Enjoy.